Hi, welcome in. Do you have an appointment?
Yes, with Dr. Hogarth. Ah, I see you're reading Eliot.
Oh, actually, I saw this play off Broadway years ago with my friends. First and only time I was ever on a plane. I guess I just keep it as a reminder to, I don't know, live my life. Hello. But how is that possible? You can't find our phone number. You called us, sir. We're on the phone right now. You called to say how difficult it was to find our phone number. Great. So is there anything else I can help you with?
Hi, is Dr. Hoff still with the patient?
Yeah, he's in there with Guy right now.
What guy?
Guy, a guy named Guy.
Oh, that guy.
Yeah.
Well, when he's finished, can you let him know you will be alphabetizing these files by the end of the day?
You want me to alphabetize those files?
Oh, you or Ben could do it. It doesn't matter. It doesn't. I think you can handle this one.
Mary, I need your help.
What is it?
There is a bird chirping outside of my window, and it will not stop. I need you to go get it.
Get it?
I don't care what you do, just to make it stop. Thank you.
Hey, Ben. 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 Hoff needs you to go outside and shoo a bird. Well, will you answer the phone if it rings?
Sure.
The crazy thing is, and I really never wanted to believe this, I'm really a lot like my father. I guess none of us want to be like our fathers, and then all of us are. And in a way, I feel more connected to him through anger. Like, I have more sympathy for him. I mean, maybe in the same way I'm like him, he's just like his father, who was just like his father, who was just like his father, who was just like his father, and his father before him, and just fathers and passing down the same pain from father to father.
Well, that's our time.
To father.
All right, Guy, we'll see you next week. Logan, come on back. Mary,
Yes?
the bird, Mary.
I went out there. You saw me. I didn't see a bird. I didn't hear a bird.
All I'm asking, Mary, is that you find this bird and you snap its tiny neck. Is that unreasonable?
No one understands what it's like to be Logan. The pressure I face is just...
Quiet! There's no bird out here. no bird!
What the hell, Mary?
What am I supposed to do? How am I supposed to get a bird that isn't there?
You just do. We can't concentrate in here.
This is all entirely ridiculous. Please, Mary, cut it out.
What?
Hey, what's going on? I have a patient in here.
Mary.
Mary, we're gonna need you to get it together.
You are being very disruptive, Mary.
Get it!
I quit.
You quit.
Yeah. I'm thinking I quit.
Will you still organize those files?
No. It will do no harm to find yourself ridiculous. Resign yourself to be the fool you are.
Whatever that means.
It means I want to live my life, not shooing the birds, but as one of them, soaring.
So does that mean you're gonna leave right now?
Yes. I'll come back for all this.
I guess you'll have to man the desk.